So a number of things are due to change on the 1st of July. The first of those is the superannuation guarantee. It's going to increase again to 10.5%. It's due to increase by 0.5% every year until it reaches 12%. Now, it depends on the contracts that you have with your employees. Some employees are on a total remuneration contract, which means that their remuneration includes super. Those employees, you will need to pay the 10.5%, that is, increase the super contribution by 0.5%, but you are able to reduce the payment made to the employee so that the total package is as you've agreed. Now, most employees, of course, won't be on those packages. They will be on a salary or wage plus super. And for those employees, then you will have that extra 0.5% cost. Another thing with super that's changing is the 450 threshold has been removed. So the 450 threshold simply means that anyone that was earning less than 450 in a month, we didn't have to pay super for. Now that threshold is going on the 1st of July, so everyone on your payroll that is aged 18 years and over will be eligible for super. Now, anyone under 18 that works more than 30 hours a week, they're also entitled to super. Another change is the profits of professional services firms, so people like lawyers, accountants, doctors, architects, engineers, who might operate through a trust. You need to be very careful that you're not sending the profits from your trust to a low-income person and avoiding tax that way. The ATO is really going to crack down on that, and they have said that they will apply Part 4A, which is that nasty provision that says that if you do anything to avoid tax and that's the only reason you've done it, you've broken the law. So, and there are some big penalties with that. So just have a look at that and talk to us about that if you're in that position. And another measure is the lowering of tax instalments for small business. If your GST aggregate turnover is under $10 million and your pay-as-you-go instalment turnover is under $50 million, you'll be considered a small business for these provisions. Normally the instalments or the tax as you go on your business is indexed, and it's indexed based on the gross domestic product. So the gross domestic product has increased by 10%, but the government's decided to increase the instalments by 2%. So they're stepping away from the GDP as an indicator of the increase in the pay-as-you-go instalment. It's expected that that will improve cash flow for small businesses. But just remember that some businesses are doing very well at the moment, and if you're paying less than you should in instalments, you may have a tax bill at the end of the year. So this isn't changing your tax bill, it's only changing the part that you're paying throughout the year. And the final thing that I'll talk about today with the changes on the 1st of July, the ATO has said that they're looking into trusts that distribute to companies. This is not new, it's been going on for many years, and they've been warning people who do that, that there are certain things that they must do. And the first thing is you must pay the amount. If you're paying it on paper, you've got to pay it actually through the bank. Basically an anti-avoidance provision to stop trust distributing to a company on paper and actually giving the money to someone on a high marginal rate of tax. So it's been around for a long time. They have said that they're really cracking down on that from the 1st of July. Don't forget to subscribe to get some more tips, and click on the link for the next video.